Teen Lands Japan.
Hello everyone, welcome to Teen Lands Japan. Today I did Eiken 1's reading problem and I used ChatGPT for checking my essay. I will show you my answer and also the ChatGPT's answer. Here we go. So the first problem was if free trade is desirable or not. My answer was I disagree that free trade is desirable because of 3 reasons. First, money is indispensable for a reason. Some people might say free trade is the best way to exchange things, but it is true that how people rate what is precious or not differs from person to person. I can say that money is an indispensable currency that must be used in modern societies. This is just the first paragraph, and ChatGPT actually changed my paragraph in a better version. This is the ChatGPT's paragraph, and as you can see, this is the first paragraph, and it says, but ChatGPT is kind of checking the grammar. For example, the value people assign to items differs significantly from person to person. Or, without a common standard, such exchanges would become inefficient and complicated. So, these are the 2 paragraphs that I didn't read that out, but I will show you. And I also did a summary test. It was a long summary. You have to summarize a long passage to 90 to 110 words, but it's about ecotourism. And ecotourism is something that tourists have become conscious about traveling to countries. They make sure nature or the indigenous people on the country will not get hurt. But it was about a thing that ecotourism is not working. And I will read out my paragraph. As tourists have become conscious of the effects travel can have on the environment, people are turning to ecotourism. However, if we take a case about Africa's tourist park, indigenous people like Maasai people lost their land and resources because of the fact that the money to help African countries are actually not shared to Maasai people. But I actually noticed that I wasn't explaining what ecotourism is specifically, and that ecotourism is not working as people has expected. I thought that I needed to put this idea and information between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. And this is my summary. I will show you. These were the tests that I did. I actually made ChatGPT score my writing, and ChatGPT said that it was 16 out of 10. I will try my best and enhance my grammar. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Bye!